Welcome to ICSE. Our Earth is a beautiful planet that is a member of the solar system. From outer space, this planet appears blue as 71% of the surface is covered with water, that is, water bodies, the oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, and so on. With a closer view, we notice green areas among the blue water bodies, and these are huge land areas generally divided into 7 continents. I feel that these are the basics you should get to know before moving on to map marking of the world based on your syllabus. Let's start with the 7 continents of the world from the largest in area to the smallest. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Moving on to the first topic of the session, all major oceans. The 5 oceans from largest to smallest are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean, marked on the eastern and the western ends of the map, are the same. On a globe, the Pacific is marked at a single place, but on a flat map, it is split up and so it appears at both ends. On the outline map, you are expected to locate, mark, and name different features. But how you do it will decide whether you score the full marks or not. So, some tips and techniques. The shading of the features should be neat and relating to the correct location. While labeling or naming a feature using arrows, the arrowhead should point towards the feature, not at the name. Using pencils to shade or draw along is ideal. Now, let's continue with the seas. The Caribbean Sea is a part of the Atlantic Ocean southeast of the Gulf of Mexico. The North Sea is an Empiric Sea which is also a part of the Atlantic Ocean. The Black Sea is a large inland sea or marginal sea of the Atlantic Ocean at the southeastern end of Europe. The Caspian Sea is an inland body of water between Europe and Asia. The South China Sea is a marginal sea that is part of the Pacific Ocean. The Mediterranean Sea is an intercontinental sea that separates Europe from Africa and connected to the Atlantic Ocean. The next category is those of the various gulfs in the world. The Gulf of Carpentaria is a large, shallow, and rectangular inlet indenting the northern coast of Australia. The Hudson Bay is an inland sea indenting Canada in North America. Although it is categorized as a bay, it is actually a gulf as it is a very large bay. The Persian Gulf is a shallow, marginal sea in Western Asia, which is an extension of the Indian Ocean. The Gulf of Mexico is a marginal sea of the Atlantic Ocean at the southeastern periphery of North America. The Gulf of Guinea is the northeasternmost part of the Atlantic Ocean. The final part of this session are the Straits. The Bering Strait is a strait of the Pacific separating the continents of Asia and North America. The Strait of Gibraltar is a narrow strait that connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Mediterranean Sea. The Strait of Malacca is a waterway connecting the Andaman Sea of the Indian Ocean and the South China Sea in the Pacific Ocean. We shall take up another topic in the next session. Bye.